Hi everyone. So in this video we are going to see about Slido. So what is meant by Slido? So it is an online tool where you can conduct various kinds of quizzes and polls virtually, right? So there are so many platforms are available in market for conducting online quizzes, but it's one of the very what to say one of the best online tool for conducting the quizzes because it's providing professional features when compared with others. Okay, so we can see how can we create the quizzes. Okay, so for that I have to log in with this website. Okay, so I'm just getting to this platform. Okay, so the platform name is Slido. So open your browser and just type Slido. Okay, so click this link. So you wanted to log in for creating your quiz, right? So I'm login. So it's asking us to log in with Webex or Google. Okay, so since I'm having Google account, I'm logging with the Google. Okay, so my account name is Revatavam. Okay, so I'm typing my password. Yes, I'm logged into this platform. Sorry. So once if you log in this website, it will just to show you this page, right? So this is the home page. Okay, so here in the right hand side, if you see, we'll be having a green button called create Slido, right? Just to click this create Slido. Okay, then here you can uh, what select at what time you can conduct this quiz and at what time you can end this quiz, right? Okay, so this is the name tab. Okay, so I'm just typing demo as my Slido name. Okay, so create Slido. Okay, so sorry. So after creating this, we'll be provided with so many options, multiple choice questions and word cloud, quiz, rating, open text and ranking, right? So I'm going to create a quiz, right? So I'm just clicking quiz. You can type your question. Okay, so whatever the question that you are having in your mind, you can type over here. I'm just typing a sample question. So what is meant by ATM? Okay, so for that you can provide options. Okay, so what is meant by ATM? Automatic teller machine. Okay, automatic teller machine. Then auto tele machine. Okay, so you can, if you want to add more options, you can use this add options. Otherwise you can keep it to 2. Okay, so what is the right answer for this ATM automatic teller machine, right? You just enable this option as correct. Okay, then you can enable this timer, then show leaderboard also. Okay, you can increase the seconds. Okay, so how much seconds that you wanted to show your question. Okay, then this leaderboard is about, so after every question, so it will be just showing you who are all the users have attended and at what time they have attended and whether they have given the right answer or not. So those details will be shown under this leaderboard. Okay, so after creating this question, if you wanted to add more questions to this quiz, you can add quiz. Okay, so I'm just having my second question. What is meant by FTP? File transfer protocol. Then the second option I am giving as file transform protocol. Okay, so the right answer for this question is file transfer protocol. I'm just enable this as correct one. Okay, then I am enabling the timer as well as leaderboard also, right? So after creating your questions, okay, so you can save this. If you wanted to add more questions, you can use this button. Otherwise, if you wanted to close your quiz with a certain number of questions, you just save. Okay, so I have saved my quiz. Okay, successfully created a quiz. See here in the left hand side, you are having your quiz questions. Okay, so in the right hand side, you are having share link and present. Okay, so share link, you can use this link for playing the quiz. So those who wanted to play the quiz, they need to use this link, right? So I'm just copying the link and I'm sharing the link those who wanted to play, right? I'm sharing the link to myself as well as one of my neighbor. Okay, they, being a master of the quiz, I need to present it. I'm just clicking this present. I need to wait the participants to join into this quiz, right? So click this green button. Kindly wait for the participants to join. Okay. So still none of the participants have joined. Yeah, first participant have joined. Her name is Sindhu. Then we need to wait for the second participant. Yes, second participant. Her name is Thavakalyan. Totally two participants have joined in this quiz, right? So I'm just starting to play this, right? So click this button. So the moment you click this button, the participant end, they will be getting the question. Okay. See, both the participants have answered. Okay. But still, this particular question is having some. See, one of the participant have chosen this answer, and another participant have chosen this answer, right? So, if you wanted to know the correct answer, if you wanted to show the correct answer to the participant, you need to click this button again. Then, if you wanted to know who have given the correct answer, see here, Sindhu have given correct answer, Thavakalyan have given wrong answer. Okay. Then again click this button to show the second question to the user. See in the right hand side, we'll be having this one, right? So both the participants have answered the question. Okay, click this button to know the correct answer. Yes, the correct answer for this FTP file transfer protocol. Again, you just click this button to know who have given the correct answer. See, both the participants have given the correct answer, but Sindhu have taken lesser time to answer for this question, right? She has taken 11 seconds. Thavakalyan have taken 15 seconds. So Sindhu is going to be the winner. Okay, that's all, friends. We have played the quiz successfully. If you wanted to stop the quiz, you click this button. That's all. We have played the quiz successfully. Okay, so if you are your professor, if you are a teacher, do like this video and do share and kindly subscribe to my channel for more information. Thank you all.